Dear student, now you see here another CSV file. That the CSV file what I am creating is to import the particular module. Okay, now you can see here I am opening the program. Just a minute for you. This is the particular part. Okay, this is the particular part. Now this is the particular part. What it has been done here, I have just created the file. You see the thing very nicely. Here I have just created the file, but I didn't open it in the reading mode. Okay, so it will create the file and it will do the file. So you can open it in the read mode and you can see the structure of it. How to see that I leave on you, because all those previous program I have opened the program in the read mode as well as the write mode as well as in the read mode. And in the write mode, what you will going to see that you have written the program, and in the read mode you have seen it will read the program. Now see here, those the fields are the name, branch, year, and what CGPA. Okay, CGPA, this is the particular thing. Now data in row, what I have given those names. Okay, what you will use the third bracket, then in third bracket what, first the name, then the branch, then the year, then the CGPA. So similarly, this is the first data, then comma, again in the third bracket the second data, again comma, then third bracket the third data, then again comma, then third bracket the fourth data, then again comma, third bracket the fifth data, then again comma, third bracket the sixth data. If you want to enter more, then again giving a comma, again more data you can insert from here. And at lastly, this bracket which you have opened, that means which I have opened here, it has to be closed. You know it, you know to have done in the BODMAS theorem also. The bracket that you will open, that bracket must be closed. Okay, that is nothing new to say to you. So bracket is open and bracket is closed. Okay, now what is the file? File name is result.csv. Clear? File name is result.csv. Now as the file name is result.csv with open file name in what mode? Write mode. I am not opening in read mode, it is opening in a write mode as CSV file, isn't it? It is opening in the write mode in the CSV file. I am creating the CSV file. How to create? CSV writer equals to CSV dot writer CSV file. So two ways I am showing you how to create the CSV files. Okay, two ways I have shown you. This first way I have shown you, I have added the columns, I have added the values, I have added one row also there. And now this is the another way I have shown you in the data frame, two ways, and this is the third ways, that is from the data frame. Remember that was second way that to create a CSV that I have shown you in the data frame way, and this is from directly creating a CSV. Data frame is just you look this program, there you can see there I have shown you how to create a thing from the data frame. This program, this is the program how to I have created from the data frame to CSV. Now the next one that has been shown, this is the particular program where it has been written. Okay, CSV writer dot writer fields, then CSV writer rows. So whether this file is there or not, let check it out. You know how to check. Open, click on open. This is my acting part, that means this is my acting folders or acting area. So in this acting area I want to see the files, what to see, those the files what are there or not. So as I want to see suppose all files, see here all the files are there. What the file name? Result. Okay, so R will be at down. Let's see that result is there or not in the last part. Okay, see result. Okay, sales also one has been created, sales. So if you open this one, this is a result program that can be opened from Excel also. You can open it, this particular CSV file. Okay, comma separated value files, as you see here, CSV comma separated value files, what I have said you at the beginning, same thing is there. If you want to open it, you can open it and you can check it. So what will happen in run? It will not show you anything because I haven't given here anything about the reader. See, it will not show you anything, only